Ma'am and Sir, my name is Minda Sineverio. I am from Philippines. I am happily married. I have two sons, 12 years old and 11 years old, and one daughter, 9 years old. My highest educational attainment is high school. My hobbies are cleaning and cooking. I work as domestic helper in Saudi Arabia for 4 years. From January 2020 until January 2024, I served two couples, a 52 and a 70 years old, a 36 and a 42 years old, and two grandchildren, a 3 years old and 2 years old. My duties are cleaning, cooking, and ironing. I want to work in Hong Kong because I want to earn money for my children. I'm willing to take care of a newborn baby, and I can sing a nursery song like, Old MacDonald's had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. To my future employer, please choose me as your housemaid because I can work my duties and properly. I promise to do my job well. Thank you, and I am looking forward to work with you as soon as possible.